I'm training my abs like a complete beginner. If you're a beginner and you want to improve your midsection, this is exactly where I would start.
Let's go for flutter kicks. Lying on your back, hands under you. Let's work. Make sure your lower back is always in contact with the floor. And keep switching your legs. And keep moving. Keep breathing. And your core is tight all the time. Russian twist. If I sit seated, keep your heels on the floor, lean back, and pretend you are holding the ball, taking it side to side. Let's work. Keep working and keep breathing. Keep your core tight. Bicep kicks, lying on your back, keep your hands under you, and once again your back is flush on the floor, and just cycle. Let's work. Keep your core tight, not rushing anywhere. Cross body crunches, cross your legs, one hand flat on the floor, and go to the opposite direction. Reach for your knee. Up. Work. Control your movement. Reach for that knee. Switch sides, same gear. Cross legs, cross body crunches.
3, 2, 1.
Up. Elbow taps, straight legs, make sure your lower back is in contact with the floor. Arms overhead, check your elbows, rotating legs.
1.
Up. Yep. Control your movement. Up. Once again, your lower back is in contact with the floor all the time. Good morning, darlings. Keep your lower back flush on the floor, hands under you, and you just move like that. And keep breathing.
2, 1.
Work. Do not touch your back. Make sure your lower back is in contact with the floor. Let's make it challenging. Let's do 10 release. Legs are straight up, and then you hit the thrust. Up, hit the thrust.
1.
Work. Release and stretch. Lying on your stomach. On the floor.
3, 2, 1.
Up. Bene, nello squat challenge for il beginner workout.